Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about the 369 method. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you are currently manifesting NSP, I highly recommend for you to invest in yourself and your future and enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. This is a 14-week course comprised of text, video, weekly affirmations, and weekly homework for you to do each and every single week until you get your SP. With me holding your hand and guiding you through each and every single step, you will gain the manifesting skills to master your reality and get your SP as soon as possible. To enroll, click on the very first link in the description box down below, or go on RitaKaminski.com and click the Manifest Your SP course. If you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, you can click the second link in the description box down below, or you can go on RitaKaminski.com and click the Book Now button. Additionally, if you would like to join our collective coaching community, you can do so by clicking the join button right next to my name. If collective coaching here on YouTube is not available in your country, you can click the fourth link in the description box down below and join through there. It is a different website but the exact same program. Can we take a moment to take a look at where I am right now? I am in the countryside of New South Wales. If you can hear cows behind me, they are behind me. There are a bunch of cows, a bunch of baby cows having zoomies, and it is the cutest thing ever. I am so blessed and so happy and so grateful each and every single moment of the day. Okay, so what is the 369 method exactly? This technique is based on the principles of numerology and the principles of intention. It was popularized by Nikola Tesla, who famously said, "If you knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, you would have a key to the universe." Intriguing, right? Tesla believed that this specific set of numbers held a specific significance and could unlock the secrets of the universe. While the scientific community might debate his claims, many people swear by the 369 method as a powerful tool for manifestation. Okay, so this is how it works. The 369 method involves writing down your intention in a specific sequence. Let's break it down step by step. Number 1, define your intention. Firstly, you have to clearly define what you want to manifest. It could be anything: a new job, improved health, a loving relationship, or even financial abundance. Be specific and positive. Step number 2, write it down 3 times in the morning. For example, I have a fulfilling new job. Do this with full focus and positive energy. Step number 3, write it down 6 times in the afternoon. In the afternoon, perhaps during your lunch break, write the intention again, but this time 6 times instead of 3. This reinforces your desire and keeps it at the forefront of your mind. I have a fulfilling job. 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 Finally, before you go to bed, write down your intention 9 times. This solidifies your desire in your subconscious mind while you sleep, and y'all all know how I feel about that. And that's it. It really is that simple. We're going to keep doing this until our manifestation comes into our reality. Let it go for the rest of the day. Follow your happiness. The key to the 369 method is consistency. You need to genuinely believe in what you're writing and know that it is already happening right now. Many people have reported incredible results with this method. I have personally not done it, but so many people have been requesting for me to do this video. Some say it helps them focus better on their goals, while others believe that it taps into the law of assumption to bring their desires to life. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.